45 mils of Angostura bitters in a cocktail? Holy fuck! Welcome everybody to the channel. Today's cocktail is the Trinidad Sour, and I know what you're thinking, 45 mils of Angostura bitters in a cocktail seems a bit mad, but trust me, this one is delicious. So this one was created by a bartender called Giuseppe Gonzalez, and he worked in the Clover Club in Brooklyn. And this cocktail is pretty much regarded as a cult classic. The recipe has just 4 ingredients. We've got rye whiskey, Angostura bitters obviously, fresh lemon juice, and Orgeat syrup. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, Orgeat, but I've heard it called Orgeat, Orgeat. Even in Belfast, some bartenders call it Orgeat. Weird. Anyway, we're using the recipe today from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. I'm actually making my way through this entire book. So if you want to see some more recipes, smash that like button. Give us a little follow if you don't already. 45 mils of your Angostura bitters. To take the little dasher off, you just flick it off with a knife. Just be careful when you're doing it. 45 mils. $30. And you're 15. And we're gonna go 15 mils of rye whiskey. Today we're using Sazerac rye whiskey, I should say. Then we go 1 ounce or 30 mils of your homemade Orgeat syrup. Definitely recommend making your own. It's completely different than store-bought stuff. Just make sure you get the orange blossom water for the recipe that's in Steve the Bartender's Guide. It makes all the difference. Then we're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of fresh lemon juice. That was good, squirted everywhere. That was good again. Brilliant. Make sure it gets into the jigger, Benny. All right, we've got our 3/4. Beautiful. Add ice to your shaker. Give it a good shake. I'm just going to double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. As you can see, it's got a really dark, robust color. To the eye, it looks pretty unpleasant to drink. It's like deep, dark brown. Let's give it a little sippy sip. Remember, 1 sip, everybody knows the rules. My God. The thing that surprises you about this drink straight away is it's got that sort of thing where it's like really drinkable, if you know what I mean. Like once it hits that back bit of your tongue, you just want to keep on drinking more. You get all those like Christmas spices, obviously from the Angostura. You get cinnamon, cloves up front. A little bit of spiciness from the rye. And you get the lemon juice. And then right at the end, you get the almond notes from the Orgeat. It's a really good drink. Like, it's kind of like a whiskey sour sort of variation. Definitely recommend you having a go at this one. So just a little bit of an update with the channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm going to try and be a little bit more consistent. I'm going to post at least 1 video per week, and it'll be on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, so look out for that, guys. Anyway, See you on the next one.